Hey, astronomy students, I am going to talk to you real quick about today's plan. Today is Wednesday, September 23rd. Here is what you need to get done. You're going to head down to week 4 and click that. You should have access to day 2 right now, so you can click on that. Take your daily attendance, and then you've got a Unit 1 test review assignment right there. So you click the link. You guys are going to have it look like this. So right here it says use this quiz to make sure you've completed everything you need to be successful for your test Friday. We do have a test Friday. Your test is 38 summative points. The summative category is worth 50% of your grade, so the test on Friday is very important. Make sure you have any questions today, you got to ask them. So as you answer each question in this quiz today, really think about what you're answering. Don't just say true if they end up being all true false. So don't just say true just to get this assignment done. If you really understand everything and you've done everything and truly every answer is true, you should be fine. So I'll kind of show you where we're at here. Start a new attempt. So I have my virtual star maps assignment done and submitted. True or false? The first few questions are all true or false. Or like, have you done this assignment? After Friday, you may not turn in any of those formative assignments, so make sure you get them in. And then starting with question 7, like I can explain why constellations are in space and how they're created by humans. So basically, I took the last half of this test quiz today and looked at all the things that we had done in class, and if you can truly say, yes, I have done this, then you should be good. Keep in mind, here's look at 14. I have worked with another person to help myself and them better understand astronomy. So if you don't want to work with someone else from class, that's okay, but talk to a parent, talk to a guardian, talk to a brother or sister. Call up a random person and teach them about astronomy, all right? And then I've asked Mr. Tweeden any questions you have about this unit. Make sure that is true as well. So after you're done, review your answers, hit submit. So this is an assignment. Make sure you get that done. All right. That is it. But again, if you go back to your main astronomy page, you guys have access to week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. All of this you have access to. So all your assignments are still in there. If you have not submitted them, work on them, get them submitted. As a quick refresher with the week 4 overview, on Friday, we've got our Unit 1 summative test. Make sure you get ready for that. As always, if you've got questions, please let me know. I can definitely be available by email all day today. All right? Get to work. We'll see you on Friday.